Cicada by Sean Tan. Cicada work in tall building, data entry clerk, 17 year. No sick day, no mistake. Tock, tock, tock. 17 year, no promotion. Human resources say Cicada not human, need no resources. Tock, tock, tock. No Cicada allowed in office bathroom. Cicada go downtown, 12 blocks, each time company dock pay. Tock, tock, tock. Human never finish work. Cicada always stay late. Finish work. Nobody thanks Cicada. Tock, tock, tock. Human co-worker no like Cicada. Say things, do things. Think Cicada stupid. Tock, tock, tock. Cicada no afford rent. Live in office wall space. Company pretend not know. Tock, tock, tock. 17 year, Cicada retire. No party, no handshake. Boss say clean desk. Tock, tock, tock. No work, no home, no money. Cicada go to top of tall building. Time to say goodbye. Tock, tock, tock. Cicada all fly back to forest. Sometimes think about human. Can't stop laughing. Tock.